Yo, what's up? Good morning. It just started pouring like crazy. Hmm. 3 minute rain. Anyway, welcome to a new week of February. Good morning. Let's get these screens right here. Right. So, Discord. Let's go. Share screen. All right. Whoa. New window. Trading view. So it looks like we are starting in a bull market this morning. So currently I'll be waiting for some pullbacks into the New York VWAP. Bitcoin. Yo, Bitcoin dumped. If you guys aren't paying attention, some Epstein files got released. Actually mentioned Bitcoin. 3 million files of Epstein files got released to the public. Some of them are insane, but a few of them, or rather, has things to do with GameStop. Others has to do with Bitcoin, silver. So like these things were at play behind closed doors with the all wealthy and powerful. I mean, as if that's nothing new, right? We all kind of had a suspicion, right? And there's people, whistleblowers that have come out stating these things, but to see in at behind the veil where we see their conversations via email traffic, which was insane. But anyways, these are the prices that I got in, like with Upheld and Gemini. Um, Uphold first, and then Gemini second. Only being, I totally forgot about Gemini until my friend brought it up. How the spreads between the two brokerages are so different. So yeah, I like Gemini a lot better, purely based off of spreads. All right, moving on. We got the Mag 7. Looks like it's in this mad range here. A little bullish this morning. Still below last week's view up, last Friday, or just yesterday in market terms. So we got some bull trend to start the. Excuse me. Bull trend to start the morning. No caffeine yet. Just drinking some electrolytes. How we could close all that. Just going over some bills and everything since last year. Quit all that. We're gonna go trade Zella. Let's see, we got action here. No action in the Discord. Well, a little bit. Trader took a profit or a winning trade there. Shoot, that sounds good. And then we go to February. Start the day. I'll check if there's news in a second. Yeah, Forex Factory. So we have 5 a.m. manufacturing PMI. That's going to be a mover, I think. Or it has the possibility to be a mover. Sometimes it does that when I like try to drag a image or screenshot. Where did it go? See, it didn't even save it. Let's do it one more time. See, as quick as the rain came, it is gone. Not raining anymore. All right, so we got a breakout happening right now. Let's see, order block, pretty bullish. So if anything, I'll be looking to, man, MEQ just hitting all these levels. MES2 seems like. So looking at the higher time frames, at least on the 50-minute, there's like a pullback towards the end of, or I guess Sunday, but even like since Friday, Thursday, Friday's kind of like in a consolidating bear trend, but maybe it's pulling back out. We'll see. This will be a handoff trade, if anything. Just waiting for price to break or make a decision, really. So I'm not trying to force or rush this position at all. This will be boom. That's the handoff. And then that's a nice, much nicer handoff. How's M&Q? 25.8 looks like it's a 25.8 is just right there. All right, so I guess it's a slow start this morning. You just sit and wait. Sit and wait. It's the name of the game today. Will we get an entry? Maybe. Maybe not. Give me that pullback. So what I would like to see, price pulls back here, sustains this New York VWAP. I mean, we are bullish just because New York overnight session rather, and the New York is there supporting price. Popping. Bitcoin dropping. Stocks are popping. Bitcoin is dropping. Ask myself, what would be the safer play? Safest play right now is just wait. If it goes, it goes. But if I was looking to enter the market, well, maybe not on M&Q, but on MES, if I was looking to enter the market, this is the first breakout. I don't necessarily want to chase that first breakout. Because look at how many, or imagine how many traders are here. If we look at the book map, I mean, there's people that's going to be, whoa, why do I have to? Okay. Imagining that there are a lot of traders trying to buy these levels. Why does it keep popping up in a different window? Do I have shift key on? MES. There, I have no idea what that was about. Maybe I fat fingered something. I didn't. My hand wasn't even on the keyboard. Anyway, as I was saying that, usually on that first breakout, plenty traders try have FOMO. Amateur traders will have FOMO and they want to try to get in right away. Like technically, this anchor view up was a good play to play off of, and you'd still be in it. Safe levels there. Got 1, 2 price could be considered a third level of resistance, maybe even safer here, but that's too far for me. If you're looking, that's M and Q. If you're looking at MES, like, are we really going to put it down here? No, because if it breaks and it shows strong bearish momentum, I want to be short. I'm not going to hold this long all the way to down here. Maybe at worst case scenario, or biggest risk would be here, the previous price structure. That's where I'd be willing to hold the trade down to. Maybe it breaks down below, maybe it pops back up. But I don't know if this is gonna, or I don't see this doing a back into range play, but I'm always open to it. Just gotta trade and react. That's all we have to do here. Not too CVD is like starting to drop bearish, but not too concerned right now, especially with these orders. There's no strong bull orders. I mean, no strong sell orders below right now, at least on M and Q. MES still same story. Strong orders, 200 orders in this range, 990. So this could be the perfect pullback that we've been looking for and waiting for. Patience plays. Let's see what it wants to do here. Let me log in my broker. Is this MES? Yes. There we go. See, even that original play will still be in right here. This level. I am looking to buy. It's just when is the market going to allow it? It's really what it comes down to. Oh, there we go. MES, the buy orders have been removed. Why does it keep popping out in a different window? Okay. Oh, there we go. That's the news candle. So let's go look at financial juice. Here we go. This is the result. 5 a.m. Actual is 52. Forecast was for 48. I mean, is that a bearish indicator or a bullish indicator? Doesn't matter to me. I just want an opportunity to get in the market. How's Apple? Mag 7. Mag 7 is below that New York view up. Still within that range. Right there. So we're just going to play it safe and wait. Bitcoin probably dropping. Yep, tanking. Bye-bye, Bitcoin. See you next time. Now we're getting a little tighter. This is creating a higher low right here. So what I'll be looking for is a handoff if price wants to break above the handoff view app. Yep, see, it's doing it. Why? They keep popping. I'm gonna try just use my computer mouse real quick. More high orders, but we do have some short orders coming on. MNQ looking good. There we go. I like MNQ. I like MES. Let's log in real quick. There we go. MNQ, long, MES. Oh. Big stop loss. Could have been a better entry here, but we're still in that 2-minute candle. So now we look for take profit levels. Honestly, anywhere around, oh, this is MES, maybe 69.90 around here. Probably just up there. Nothing too crazy. That's a big, oh, here we go. That looks better. Like that. Stop at most recent low. As far as MNQ goes, we got take profit orders all up to this yin yang right here. 25.9. I think I want to hold it all the way up to there. I'll take a $20 win. No, it wasn't even a $20 win. Small win. Small size, small win. What do you expect? It's more because of that. Most recent high. Wanted to just take it, especially with price just kind of doing its thing. Bookmap it's pretty bullish, very bullish. Could go up to 7,000 level. 690 was a good level, right? Like right before it. If you participated in the stream last week, there were strong orders at like a certain level. It probably was 690, 69.90. And all session, it did not hit. It just kept going lower, tried to go higher, went lower. So I got whipped out on Friday pretty decently. But yeah, no sign of slowing down. So I want to trail a 2-minute. So stop loss would be here. So So let's go ahead. Stop loss at 2578 and that is one contract. We're gonna short it. Yeah, there we go. Let's just remove this. This is the safest way to manage risk right now in this current market structure. So MES is pretty much gone. And M&Q, yeah, as far as what I mean by gone, like I'm not looking to get back into it. Looks like it's just going to keep on slow drag up. And that's cool. Let it do its thing. We'll just do this 2-minute drag. 25 seconds before I adjust my stop loss to this level. Yeah, so that other trade was like really maybe $13 win, $17 win, something like that. But I mean, overall, nice handoff trade. Boom. If it goes, it goes. If it takes me out, it takes me out. Cool with it. Strong buy orders now. Filling that 5,900 level on M&Q, starting to fill up. So we'll go ahead and log these handoff trade. MES first. That's no more clicky clangy. How's the bookmap orders on MES during this? Yeah. Nice solid moves. So at time of entry, hold up. Okay. That That's MES. One more shot. One more screenshot. Hand off. M&Q. Long. And handoffs have been the trade for me, which shows that once the trend is initiated, once the trend starts in the morning, like the first hour, price just goes. It doesn't reverse because my back into range plays have been pretty shitty lately. So it's good to know. And I'm just gonna squeeze this. Gonna squeeze this. All right, this one's going. All right, this is going. Man, like once I'm in profit and like I could call it a day, but I'm still in a trade. I'm like that. I'm impatient in the sense like I want this trade to take me out so I could move on with my day. I love trading. I love trading. I love trading in that aspect. It could be done whenever you want, when the market decides. When are you off? When the market decides. How long are you trading for? Usually 2 hours. But if I have more time and I could squeeze more time on the charts, and if I needed to make trades and I'm within my risk parameters, I'm going to stay on the charts. But a day like this, easy. We had another day, or a day last week like this, where trend was going, took a handoff, one and done. Essentially, this is a one and done on the same scale. But at the same time, when you force yourself into trades, you're risking forcing yourself to lose a trade. Then at the same time, when you force yourself out of a trade, like you squeeze it too tight just to get out of the market, you could be limiting your profit. So like I wanted to get out here, like at 100 net. We're 100% doubled that. So, mm, you know, let's look at book map. If we get any indicators here, what's going to happen? That 25.9 level seems to be appealing. So 25.9 is the next really key level. And again, it doesn't have to hit 25.9. It could start pulling back now, or it could hit 25.9 and then go back down. It could break right through. Always with trading, it's always discretion. We never know what's really going to happen. We just have probabilities in our favor. That's it. That's all we could hope for. So does it go to 25.9? If it does reach this level, I'll be out. If it takes me out of my stop loss, cool. So let's put that note there. I keep saying 2,900, but it's at 5,900. This is the 2-minute chart as well. So looks like going to 25,930, but I think I'm going to begin to start taking my profits. I'm going to keep it tight. Here we go. I'll take it. Sweet. So up 260 on the day. Cool with it. One contract. I want to change this background. Cool. Right in time by 5:30 too. So, or 10 minutes before 5:30. So we'll go over this one more time. Waited patiently for the trade to play out this morning. Didn't show back into range. Price broke out. It's on the high side. Pulled back down. Rebroke that hands-off of anchored VWAP. Anchored the VWAP on the 1 minute. First candle, full body break right here. And boom. Anchored here. Held the order. Held the trade. Sorry, I'm doing multiple things. Held the trade here. took it to the 25.9 level, use bookmap for profit target, and then 2 minute for trailing stop. Easy. One and done kind of day. And I'm going to just post this trade here into our Discord. Easy day with trend. Oh, there I go. I was tic-tacking. My bad, guys. All right. That is that. Dunzo Rapunzel. All right, guys. I'm jumping off. Posted it in Discord. Any housekeeping do I have to do? Shared the newsletter. Welcome to February. Good start to February. Strong start to February. If I was looking to get into the market again, my VWAP would be after in any one of these four candles. It's fine just because it's above the range, so it breaks out of the range or back into at least the top. So next full body candles right there. If I'm looking to go longs, I'd be waiting for price to pull back here. Or there's that squeeze play where price goes like this, and then I would want to enter on the second or third break, target the New York VWAP. So that's two ways I would be trading this market if I miss this entire move. And I mean, MES is pretty much going to be the same thing. And that's what we want to see. That's what I like to see, is when the market is showing bull trend on both indices as well as Mag 7 right here. So it looks like Mag 7 might hit overnight view up as a target, but overall bullish day. Sorry, Bitcoin holders. Oh, there you go. Got a little pop on Bitcoin, but looks like it's just in this range right now. Pretty ugly. But other than that, guys, hope you enjoyed this stream. Have a great day. Have a great week. I'll see you. I should be on tomorrow. Should be. So yeah, have a good one. Shoot.